Let's learn some essential action verbs in the context of studying and learning.
She analyzed the data to identify patterns. Analyze. Examine in detail, break down. He read the book to gain knowledge. Read. Perceive and understand written text. It took him a while to comprehend the complex theory. Comprehend. Grasp the meaning of something. She had to memorize all the multiplication tables. Memorize. Learn by heart, commit to memory. He researched the topic to find relevant information. Research. Investigate thoroughly. I need to review my notes before the exam. Review. Examine or assess again. They learned a new language in a few months. Learn. Acquire knowledge or skill. He was able to absorb the content of the lecture. Absorb. Take in and understand fully. She synthesized various sources into a comprehensive report. Synthesize. Combine information to form a whole. They decided to explore different research methods. Explore. Investigate or study thoroughly. She spent hours studying for the test. Study. Examine closely for learning. He practiced playing the piano every day. Practice. Repeatedly do something to improve. You need to focus on your studies right now. Focus. Concentrate attention on something. They discussed the implications of the findings. Discuss. Talk about a topic. The teacher will evaluate your performance. Evaluate. Assess the quality or value. Feel free to question me if you don't understand. Question. Pose inquiries to gain understanding. She revised her essay based on feedback. Revise. Make changes to improve. He used a highlighter to mark important passages. Highlight. Emphasize or point out significant parts. Can you interpret the symbolism in this poem? Interpret. Explain the meaning of something. He solved the math problem correctly. Solve. Find a solution to a problem. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below.